In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or template Workspace in Attio. Before we begin, it's important to know that Attio does not currently offer a built-in duplicate workspace or workspace template feature. Each workspace is treated as its own separate environment, with its own data, objects, lists, automations, reports, and settings. So if you want a reusable setup, the best approach is to manually create a new workspace and use that as your template structure moving forward. Start from the Attio homepage. From there, go to your company profile area and click New Workspace. This is where you'll begin building the new workspace that you can later use as your repeatable setup. Next, enter your company name for the new workspace. After that, set your billing country, then click Continue to move ahead. If Attio shows an onboarding question asking how you heard about them, you can simply skip that part. You'll then be prompted to connect a mailbox. In this example, choose Continue with Google, although Microsoft is also an option if that better matches your setup. Select the account you want to use for this new workspace, then continue through the permission screens. You may need to click Continue more than once to approve access and complete the connection. Once the mailbox is connected, Attio will ask about mailbox visibility. Choose subject line and participants. This setting controls how email activity is displayed in the workspace and is a good option if you want useful context without exposing full message content. Then click Continue. On the next screen, select Auto Record External Meeting and Continue. This feature helps capture meeting activity with people outside your organization, which can be useful for tracking customer conversations and keeping your workspace organized. After that, choose Sales as the main use case for the workspace. Attio uses this selection to shape the initial setup based on how you plan to use the platform. Depending on what appears next, if Attio asks for more detail about your use case, select all of the available choices and continue. At this stage, Attio will automatically build the core objects for your new workspace. These may include people, companies, workspaces, users, and deals. This gives you a solid starting framework that you can customize into your own manual template. Click Continue again, and when you reach the team invitation screen, choose Skip for now. You can always invite teammates and configure collaboration settings later. If you're trying to recreate an existing workspace, the practical approach is to export key information from the old workspace and manually rebuild the structure in the new one. That way, you can create a clean template-style workspace for future use. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.